Hi, it's Brian Decker with your Market Minute. This is our last segment on the scams that are out there that are hurting a lot of people out there. I'm going to cover telemarketing scams and home repair or contractor fraud. So never buy from an unfamiliar company. You can learn more about the companies that check in with you by checking with the Better Business Bureau. That's number one. Number two, always ask for and wait until you receive written material about any offer or charity or anything like that. Number three, obtain a salesperson's name, business identity, telephone number, street address, mailing address, business license number before you transact business with them. Next is always take your time in making a decision. And lastly, for telemarketing scams, if you have information about a fraud, report it to state, local, or federal law enforcement agencies right away. Ideally, you should know American Express is very good about reversing anything in 30 or at the most 60 days. On home repair or contractor fraud, be an informed consumer. Take time to call and shop around before making a purchase. Take a friend with you that may offer you some perspective about making difficult decisions. Number two, carefully read all contracts, purchase agreements before signing. Make certain that your requirements are all put in writing. Number three, make sure you understand all contract cancellation and refund terms. And number four, as a general rule, take control of all of your transactions as a consumer. Number five, don't allow yourself to be pressured into making a purchase, signing contracts, committing funds. And I would just tell you, for Diane and I, we were involved in contractor fraud. I would just add one more thing, and that is never pay full price. Put half down and get half when the job is done. So those are some hints. Now, there's a website that you can go to. If you suspect that you've encountered financial abuse, you can go to eldercare.acl.gov and get some very good information. Hope that helps. It's Brian Decker. Hope you have a good week.